So this is the polishing cloth that is made by Apple. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this today and show you guys how well it does. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Basically, this is the polishing cloth that Apple made. It's like $10, but now it's going for like $30 in eBay and whatnot. So it's pretty crazy. Let's see what if it's any good or not compared to like a microfiber. Let's see what we got here. Here you see inside just the polishing cloth there. Pretty basic stuff there. There you go. And then inside here it comes with the safe for use on all Apple devices and surfaces, it says there. There you go. And then here we got the Apple logo on the side there. That's why it's super expensive, right? So pretty much you can get a microfiber cloth for a lot cheaper, for, you know, price there. $10 for one little microfiber cloth. Really, it's all more like $3 for these things. But we have our MacBook Air M1 right here, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna use it on our keyboard right here. Let's see if it's any good or not. There you go. We're gonna use it on the screen as well. It has some sort of a little bit of a different texture than the microfibers. It does work well, I guess. It's no better than a normal microfiber, as you can see there. MacBooks gets pretty bad on fingerprints there, so let's see if we can take it off without putting any water on it. This should work better than the microfiber, I'd say, because it's made for, you know, Apple devices, right? But in reality, as you could see, it's no different. There's still fingerprints shown. A little bit better, I guess, but you'd have to wear it anyway, kind of like a microfiber cloth. So it's no different than buying the microfiber cloth there. So for example, we wanted to use it on our phone now. Let's try it out. There we go. Just gonna smudge it out right there. Make sure that it's all good to go. And as you could see, still similar. No difference there. You can still see a little bit of stuff there. You'd have to wet it like I said earlier, and then it'll work better. But really, if you're paying $10 for this kind of cloth, you shouldn't need any water add-ons on it, and it should work. But that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on the microfiber cloth. I would say no, don't buy it. It's just for you know, for purposes like this. It says Apple logo on there. But if you want to get one of these for a cheaper price, they also have this in China. I'll link this down below. In the AliExpress, they have it on there. I think I got it for like $2 free shipping, $3 free shipping. So that's pretty cool. I actually bought two. There we go. And it's not delayed or anything like that, so you'll get it right away. Within the depends on where you are and what kind of shipping you use it for. I think I had to wait like about a week to get this, so not bad at all. Thanks for watching, everyone. Everything will be linked down below. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll see you next one. Peace.